I just got my Zoom 80 today from Zoom Originals. Let's open it up.
Hit the club with my stunners on. Baby, I came to party if you rubbing on. Rock with me in the comfort zone. You know that 1-2 step with the left, right with the rhythm go. Move like you want it with me. Whether popping bottles, my balls in the VIP. Throwing shots of Patron.
I ordered it on Tuesday online, you know. I got an email with the tracking code like a day later. Or like, yeah. It was made and finished and productive and shit on Thursday. It was shipped and it got to me on Monday, today. Not that long, it's 6 days and shit. Can't even fucking open the box.
I can't even get my drink on. Know the club lit up, who think they creep on. Wonder how they fill up into the sweet room. Take the hands up off your girl, she be with me gone.
Packing order somewhere.
Pull them records out to make you put that look on your face. You know that, you know that.
I don't even see that.
Waiting for this hit, cause it's been a long time since I got down from the back to the front. Got the whole crowd stepping like Kelly, so come, we get it jumping in the club, but we ain't gotta go down. Now I know what you say to get your hands up, and I know when you hear she gon' stand up.
More stickers yet. Ooh. Look at the inside. Thank you, Collectivo. I guess that's the name of this. This is the art I got in the back. I guess designed. May the funk be with you. I think it was cool. Like some Afro guy type cool. It's the only art that I saw from the artist that has the design and letters. So I thought it was tight. That was cool. But that's that. Holster. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's like construction outside. Oh, it's color. I don't know. May the funk be with you. That's tight. I like the glass. The glass on it looks tight. Nice little bag right here. Plastic.
I was chilling in the park on a Sunday afternoon, blowing OG Kush, bumping the oldie tunes. Got me a higher, so I hopped in my low rider, tipping 3 wires.
Oh, that's it.
Gold flake paint, homie, what you think? Pass me the goose, so I Heineken to drink. Got my fade on, gotta keep me in the zone. Take this chick home, turn off the phone and bone. Get her out of thong, hit it, then I'm gone. Can't stay too long, I only got one night.
Oh, that's nice.
You're lucky
It's
you
not that
can
heavy.
with me
It looks
tonight.
good.
Find Mamacita, only in Khalifa.
Cruising, just me and you. And later on, we gon' tell them what we gon' do. Cruising, all day long.
Let's see. Start. I guess initial product guide. This is a product guide. Product manual. This just shows you how to work it. How to start it up. I don't read these. Man, how hard is it to fucking use MP3 player, you know? USB has logos, headphones, USB. Nice little pink tips. That's cool. They're clear. Sync thing under the Zune, I guess. Yeah. There's a sync for your computer. Multiple pads for your ears in case you have like some bigger, smaller ears. I guess.
Take you to the spot on the ocean, we can stop, grab a bite to eat, and check into a hotel, walk along the beach,
nice little. It's not like those cheap headphones you get with like a product, you know, MP3. These actually look good. Headphones are tight, soft rubbery. Yep, they're magnetic. Ooh, I like the color black. It was red and black, but I just like black. Yeah, I think it was cool. The design in the back. 80 gigabytes. Wait, it doesn't even say 80 gigabytes. What? It doesn't. Seriously. It does not say 88. See, it has some charge in it. Yep, it does. That's nice, clear, clean screen. I'll buy a case for it. Oh, the pad really works. Of course, duh. I guess you can use it quick. This is a great MP3. I like it. I like how it looks. I don't like those Zune 30s. They're fat, ugly. There's like some circle thing, like design. I don't like those Zune 30s. They're ugly, man. I'd rather get an iPod than a Zune 30. But I'd rather get this than any iPod. Well, it's up to iPod Touch, but still, I have an iPod 30. Well, it's not even mine. I bought it, but it's not even mine. That's funny, huh? I bought it for somebody else. Podcast wireless. Oh look, from other videos that I've seen, usually this is locked, and this is not. I guess they already preloaded it with something. I don't even know what. Videos, Zune 45.
730.
Oh, you can see that. Clean. There's too much.
And I mean that. Just call if you need that. The best of both different worlds. Not often they see that.